What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. This is Bitcoin on the 4 hourly. We are having some interesting moves down, and I wanted to share with you some targets I shared with my people in Discord. Uh, the targets that I gave them was this square, the wave 4 support. Anticipating that this could be a wave 4, then we may reverse up for fifth wave. That is a possibility, or we may break down from here. For starters, we haven't really taken out this low, which was at 20,257, and we went as low as 20,386 and kissed exactly the top of my wave 4 support box, and that is the 0.236 retracement of this wave up, the wave 3 up. So it could be just a simple retracement. Possibly it may not be that deep of a retracement, or it could be. So for targets, as long as we are in this box up to the 18,938, I think we are safe to say that we may still go to the upside. But once you start breaking this Wyckoff box that I had at around 20,236 or 40 and into this box, you are in support. Essentially, this is a buy zone, but I'm not telling you what to do. It's up to you whether you want to DCA in or take trades or whatever strategy you use. But this is a zone that if this is a wave 4, then we might have wave 5. I don't really want to trade a wave 5 because I might take a trade, but because the wave 5 may be shorter than the wave 3, the wave 3 was overextended. Looking at EMAs, we have the 233 EMA on the 1 hourly, I believe, coming in, and the 200 EMA coming in here in our support box. We also have the top of this resistance line that I had. Let me try and figure out what was this. Sometimes I have lines. This was a previous support line going upwards, which we clearly broke above, and if we come down, would be retesting it at the 200 and 233. So that's a zone to watch for if you start going down. However, I have highlighted before and in my previous videos that we were having bearish divergences forming on different time frame, on higher time frames. So maybe this is it. We could have already put on our wave 5. I didn't measure it out, but this could be our third wave up here, and we came up for fifth. That's also possible. This could be our third, this could be our fourth, fifth, and we're coming down in a correction. Or this 5-wave move up could have been just a C wave correction, and we're going down. We need to be careful in these trades. It's not easy to say whether, yeah, we're going down or no, we're going up. But if you even go in the smaller time frame, you can see clearly we bounced off this box. If I want to put a price target, let me click on this rectangle. You will see that the price target for the upper range was 20,381, and this candle came almost exactly 20,386. It missed it by $5. Quite accurate, and we're getting a reaction. So this could be a pullback to continue higher. Now we looked at Bitcoin. Now looking at the DXY, what is the DXY done during that time? DXY was crawling up, trying to make it up back above the 102. If DXY is able to get above the 102 or even this level, the 103.2, then we'd be looking at the next level of 104.3, followed by higher levels. But the DXY so far was struggling. I highlighted also a few days ago that the VIX was in very low levels. We essentially bounced from these, the VIX bounces from these levels, and as you can see today, we gapped up, came down, retested this level, which was a significant historical level, going left, looking at the past price action, 19, and we are going higher. Will we continue? That's a question. The VIX on the 15-minute is at the 200 and 233. Looking at the broader market, the US 100 and the Dow Jones, they're slightly pulling back. Looking at the ES1, which is an S&P 500 mini futures ETF, you can see that we were struggling at that descending trend line, and we broke right back into it. This descending trend line goes back. Let's look till where? Till the all-time highs, I believe, of the S&P. I drew it when the S&P was up here back in January 2022, so a year ago. It's a 1 year a resistance that's been there for almost a year, and we've been struggling at it for 1, 2, 3 days, and now we're below even the 233 on the daily. So not saying that this is the end of, we're going to dump to 15K now, but I'm just keeping you aware that it could be a retracement. We might get a reversal to the upside, continuation to continue that wave 5, then we'll get completion of this whole wave 3, and we get a bigger retracement of a wave 4. But once these 5 wave moves finished, we're going to get a big wave 1, then we're going to have even a possible deeper retracement for wave 2. That's all I wanted to give you for Bitcoin. Targets to the upside for me remain at around 22K for the 233 EMA on the 4-hourly, or is it on the hourly? Just give me a second. Let me give it time to load. Yeah, we have 22,007. That would be my 233 EMA on the daily as a first target. Next, my next target will be the value area low, 23,371. And even if we get up here to retest the bearish ascending channel that we have, this trend line represents the bearish ascending channel or the bear flag. I extended it so you could see it. We'll be meeting the 800 EMA and the ascending channel at around 26,000, which I can't see us going there, because if we get there, then essentially we have so much higher to go. All right, that's it. Join the free Discord. Link will be in the channel description, video description, and subscribe to the channel and hit the likes as usual. More trades. I'm out.